Good morning, you beautiful people. Happy hump day. We're getting close to St. Patty's Day. I tried to find some music and I have no idea. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the hat. As soon as I seen it, I had to buy it. I am a weirdo. My name is Sherry and this is me. So anyways, with that being said, it is beach theme this week. Patty's Day, but my channel is beach themed this week. I should have started off with a week thing. I never even thought about it. So I hope you enjoyed my beach themed tic-tac-toe board. That turned out amazing. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, and as you know, I like to experiment with you people. So yeah, that turned out beautiful. So now my mission is to make more of these freaking X's and O's. I've not made a mold. I've had people tell me that I need to make a mold. I will make a mold. I've never ever done it before, so I have no idea what to buy. I've actually gone into Michael's looking for stuff periodically because I wanted to try to make a mold. I think that's going to be my only way to get around this, is to make a mold. So if you people know how to make a mold, link something in the description box for me, because Sherry is, I learn as I go. So with that, I am doing a Dutch pour beach theme. So Monday was the tic-tac-toe board. Today we're doing a 5 canvas Dutch pour, and I am using all beachy colors, basically blues, maybe a little bit of a teal in there, and some brown for the thing. And we are using 5 of these 6 by 20 canvases. I bought these at my local dollar store. I'll put that up there so you can see the name. It is Craft Artworks, and they were $4.99, so that wasn't bad. So I would lift one up, but I have them all leveled because when I put my push pins in, they weren't quite leveled, so they're all leveled. Now I just have to do my topping on it. So, and Friday's video is the beach. I redid it, so I'm excited. I hope you enjoy that one. So with that being said, I'm gonna take off my ridiculous Kiss Me I'm Irish hat, and my canvases are prepped. I'm just gonna flood them and we'll go through our colors when I get back. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hello, we are back. I am all prepped. I have flooded my canvas, which all that means is just I put my acrylic flow white. I used the whole bottle and I have no more mixed up, so hopefully I don't goof this up. So this is my Artist Loft acrylic flow white. I mix it with Flotrol and water, and with that I have staggered the canvases because I can't do nothing just plain and simple. And I used my OXO spatula, best thing ever. Check it out. It's been using it for almost 3 years now. It's in my Amazon shops. Amazing tool. So today's beach themed. So I've gone and pulled out a bunch of blues, maybe a teal, and I did a couple of browns for the grass, for the sand. So I'll go through my colors. I am using, I got quite a few here, so we're gonna go with my Grumbacher's Thalo blue, my most amazing color ever. I'm going to use Liquitex Basics Phthalocyanine blue with iridescent medium. I'm going to, so these are the 3 darker blues. I am using DecoArt Metallics Ice Blue. They're kind of similar. And then I picked 3 tealy colors. DecoArt Metallics Peacock Pearl. I have Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And I have Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green with iridescent medium. And I picked out my DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold for that little bits of glitz. I also picked out my DecoArt Metallics Rich Espresso. Give it some of that brown. And it is Sherry. We have to have a glam dust. So I've got my DecoArt's Glam Dust Sapphire Blue to go with the blue theme. Now, I was gonna grab something. Oh, people that don't know, if I can grab it, hopefully it's right here. Here it is. This is what the iridescent medium is. It is Artist Loft. And when I mix my paints, I put a big dollop. I'm gonna say I probably put a tablespoon or more in it. And it gives it just that little bit of a iridescence. Okay, I see a couple of flyaways here. I'm gonna pick them out before we get going. I did torch my base coat. I can't wait for the studio to light to come in. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got a clump there. I'm gonna grab my tweezers. I ended up ordering them off of Amazon because that was the only place I could find them. And I paid an extra $5.99 to have them shipped here by last Friday. And they're not coming till, it might not even be here by Friday. I was just like, ah. Oh. There you go, one last torch. Now remember, when you lay your colors, you want to put the colors that you do not want showing up the most. You do that color first. So I'm gonna alternate blue, green, and I'm gonna go from darkest to light. So blue, and then there, and I'm gonna throw an espresso in close. Sorry, I'm just organizing. You can probably see me, I hope. Anyway, and then a gold. So maybe I'll do this blue, this gold. No, this blue and this. Okay. Now that I'm semi-organized. And I'm just going to go straight down the board. So it's going to go up and down because my canvases, as you can see, they're about, I'm going to say 2 inches off. And I'm going to go straight down the center. And this is the center one, so we'll do it right here. All right. Oh. I can't even squeeze my bottles with my thumb. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to go and get this looked at. Okay, so that was my Grumbacher's Thalo blue. We will now come with, because I don't want this brown to be dominant, we're going to come back with the Metallics Rich Espresso. Then we're going to do my DecoArt Metallics Cobalt Blue. I was thinking about doing one of Molly's Artistry's waves, but I thought, nah, I've never done one before. We're going to do my Liquitex Basics Phthalocyanine with Iridescent Medium. Oh my goodness, I can't even squeeze. Oh. We will do, let's do a Glam dust. This stuff is amazing. Like I said, I buy it at my dollar store because it's, oh my goodness, it's a little pricey at Michael's. Oops. There we go. And let's do, I don't want this to be very dominant, so I'm going to throw this green in first. The Aqua, Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua. And I'm going to do the gold. 24 karat gold. Oh, this stuff is so pretty. And we're going to finish off with metallic cobalt blue. And a lot of paint. DecoArt Metallics Ice Blue. Alright, I'm going to fix up this just in case we don't get that far down. And there's still something there. There we go. Now, I'm going to torch my colors. You should torch your colors. And somebody, one of my lovely watchers mentioned to me that I was complaining about how my cells looked off. They didn't look right. They looked kind of wonky. So she mentioned that I didn't torch my bubbles. So I'm like, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna hopefully we'll have better success. There we go. Now I'm trying to think of where to start. Oh, I'm gonna grab my blow dryer and I'm thinking, oh my goodness, there's another thing. We're gonna start here because it's spread out pretty wide. Okay. Here we go, wish me luck. Hopefully it'll be a nice ocean. So I'm gonna try and go up and down in each one. My goodness, it looks beachy. I might try and blow a little more this here. We'll see. No, I'm gonna blow it with my straw. Amazing. And nope, that didn't help. It must be that it has to be this Grumbacher, because do you see? I don't know. I torched it. I love it. Amazing. Amazing. So I'm just gonna, because of where they are, I use this. I haven't used it in a while. This is just flexible water line hose for your house. And I'm pretty sure this one is, I just bought it from the hardware store because you can cut it any size. And I have a couple of them. There's this one, and I made a shorter one. So yeah, you've got to look outside of the box when you're looking for things. That's what I find anyways. Just love how that color's there. All right, I'm gonna try and blow this guy a little bit. Let me see if I can. Do I stand on my stool? Oh my goodness. You're all probably going, no, don't. You're going to fall into the paintings, which is probably what will happen. There, that's a little better. There, I like that. It went up a little bit more. I like the softness here. That is beautiful. That almost, oh my, I never usually see anything until I turn the camera off. you guys are upside down, but this looks like a peacock with the tail. Oh my goodness. That's funny. Now I might just, not sure if I like this little guy here. Oh, I just scraped her all. I'm gonna use this end, I guess. A little better, a little better. I think that's it. I love it. I'm impressed. So there is my beach theme, my week. You will get one on Friday, and I don't know, do I do a bling bling to go with the beach week? I was gonna plan something else, but we might have to do a blinged out beach. We'll see. All right, so don't forget to come around. Give your canvases a good little scrape so you do not lose all of your beautiful compositions off the front, off the top. And there we go. So I'm going to keep doing that. But first, before I get my finger all dirty, I'm going to come up. I'm going to bring you down. I was going to do a little torch, but I don't know if I want to. That is just so cool how the middle one turned out to be a peacock. I'm almost tempted to make this come down so it looks like the head. All right, I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna attempt to bring you down without bringing you into the canvas, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are down. Just look at that. I'm glad the colors I chose turned out amazing. I'm just, it looks so pretty. And you see what I mean by they're not 100% shaped right. I don't know. I still love it though. And I'm glad I put that rich espresso in there because it give it that nice sandy color, and I knew the gold would take over. Now doesn't that look just like a peacock? Look, I'm tempted to just bring this down with my finger. Do you see what I mean? If I brought this down, and then this whole thing looks like peacock feather. Too funny. But yeah, I am impressed. Love it, love, love it. This one's nice. I like how it, now when the color stays dark without cells, it looks nice. I don't know. Well, anyways, so there we go. There is my beach themed 5-piece canvas. So I'm gonna let it dry. And on Sunday's video, I will give you a little glimpse of it dried, because, yeah, it won't be dried before I put Friday's up. So with that, I would like to say I hope you all have a wonderful hump day. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you see, give it a share. And I would love for you to hit the bell so you get notifications of my next video. And yeah, in the description box, I will link all of the products that I used. And don't forget to use my discount code for Laura's Art Corner. It's all capital letters. Sherry Moulton 10%, and you'll get 10% off your order. I have my Facebook page link. I have my Amazon shops links. And I have my PayPal link. So with that being said, I am officially out of here, and I will see you guys on Friday. Love you guys. Have an amazing hump day.